Hi, my name is Alfredo, and I'm going to be solving problem number 42 on page 278 in section 4.9, which is about perform congruence transformation. Right. So question number 42 says, show that triangle ABC and triangle DEF are right triangles, and use the HL congruence theorem to verify that triangle DEF is congruence transformation of ABC. Okay, so the first thing is to find out all the points. So point A is 2, -1. Point B is 4, 1. Point C is 3, 2. And point D is -3, 0, and point E is -1, 2, and point F is -2, 3. Alright, so now we have to find how much the rule of translation. So as you see here, you see two triangles. So let's pick point C. Let's see how much it goes to point F. So it goes 1 up, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it's 5 and 1. Now point B is 1 up, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Same thing as point C. Now point A, 1 up, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is the same as you see here. And to prove it, you can plug in point D into this formula, and you'll get point A. And if you plug in point E, you get same thing, point B. And point F, you get point C. Alright. Now the question says you have to find the HL congruence theorem for triangle DEF and ABC. So it's like basically it's distance formula. You have to find if line DEF and line AC are the same. So here's the distance formula. So here we see DF. You plug it in the distance formula, and you get square root, -2 minus -3 squared plus 3 minus 0 squared. And you solve this, then you get square root 1 squared plus 3 squared. After that, you get square root 1 plus 9. Then you add that, and you get square root of 10. Now I have to do the line of AC. You plug it in the distance formula, and you get 3 minus 2 squared plus 2 minus -1 squared. And you solve it, then you get square root of 1 squared plus 3 squared. Then you solve it again, then you get square root 1 plus 9. Then you add that, and you get the same as square root 10. So the line DF and line AC are congruent. Now you have to find the line of FE and CB and see if they're congruent too. Okay. You have to do the same thing, find distance of each line. So we did line of FE, and if we plug it in the distance formula, you get -1 minus -2 squared plus 2 minus 3 squared. Then after you solve that, you put square root plus 1 squared plus -1 squared. After you solve this, you get square root of 1 plus 1. Then you add that, and then you get square root 2. So line of FE is square root 2. And now you have to find the distance of line CB. So you plug it in the distance formula, and you get 4 minus 3 squared plus 1 minus 2 squared. After you solve this, you get square root 1 squared plus -1 squared. And you get square root of 1 plus 1, and you get square root 2. So line FE and line CB are congruent as line DF and line AC. So yes, both triangles are congruent.